Okay, we're gonna go through solving these, and so this is gonna be for the rhombus. So the measure of angle RST is 67. Okay, so we need to know that that's the whole angle. When we go from R to S to T, it's that whole thing, both little pieces. And we want to find the measure of RSW. So that's only half of it, because remember the diagonals bisect. So all we have to do is take 67 and divide it by 2. And that's going to give us 33.5 degrees. The measure of angle SVT is what we want to know. So that's going to be this angle right here. Go from S to V to T. And then STV, so the entire angle up here, okay, that whole angle is 135 degrees. So we know that these guys should add up to 180 degrees, so they're consecutive. So, excuse me. So we'll have to do 180 minus 135. So 180 minus 135 is 45. So this entire angle is 45. So to get the orange one, we're just going to take our 45 and divide by 2. And that's going to give us 22.5 degrees. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and do example 3. The measure of angle SWT. So SWT is going to be this little guy right there. And we want to find x. But we just remember that there are right angles inside there. So remember, a right angle is 90 degrees. So we're going to say 2x plus 8 equals 90. So we're going to subtract 8. So we have 2x equals 82. And then we're going to divide by 2. So x is equal to 41. Okay. We want to find the value of x. So if the measure of angle WRV, this guy right here, and that's going to be this guy, and the measure of WRS, okay, which is this guy up here. Okay, so we know they're bisected. We know that they're cut in half. So we know that they're congruent. So we just set them equal to each other. So we're going to do 5x plus 5 plus 7x no, I'm so sorry. I just said equal. Equals 7x minus 19. They are equal, so we set them equal. So now we're going to solve. The opposite of a positive 5 is a subtraction of 5. So we subtract 5. So these guys cancel out, and we're left with 5 equals 2x minus 19. So now we're going to add 19 to both sides, and that's going to give us 24 equals 2x. Those cancel out, and then we're going to divide by 2. So x is equal to 12. And that completes these problems.